My name is Rob Dunbar, and welcome to the third week of Open Office Hours Antarctica. We're continuing to work in the Ross Sea Polynya, an open water area of the Antarctic that's rapidly freezing at the end of summer. Been working in different kinds of ice. Here you can see pancake ice, fresh ice that's growing in size, and it's absolutely chock full of microscopic plants. We've been traveling through large parts of the ocean covered by thin new ice like this. We've also broken through thicker ice, flows of different ages. Sometimes the ice is up to 1 meter in thickness. But in all of these environments, we find microscopic plants growing that provide food for the communities here. We've been through some storms. Here you can see 60-knot winds at temperatures of 20 below zero. And this creates very fine crystals of ice that float to the surface and produce these unusual wave patterns. Of course, some of that ice ends up on the ship as well. So we end up out on deck clearing away the rails and the scuppers so that the deck can drain. One of the instruments we use is a sediment trap. These simple cups sit in the water column for 1 or 2 days, and they collect particles that are sinking out. Particles from the open water, also from ice-covered areas. We've been using deep sea cameras. These things are towed along the deep sea floor. And here you can see some of the organisms, a giant sponge, some sea stars, and all kinds of rubble, ice-rafted debris. And the seabed's particularly covered with sea cucumbers or holothurians. So that's it for this week. We'll do another video in about a week's time, and I'll present some of the early results of our experiments.